Education is a privilege and you need to take advantage of it. Every parent and adult in the universe will say this over and over again in hopes of drilling it into our tiny little heads. However, why is it that whenever you ask a kid whether or not they like school, it's expected of them to say no? It's become so common in our society for students to hate our schools, and I think it's time we did something about it. Firstly, as students, we're forced to comply with schedules that are not even properly adjusted to our bodies. As teenagers, it's been scientifically proven that our bodies function differently than other humans due to hormone imbalance. This means that we tend to wake up at night and get really tired much later on. However, every single day we force ourselves up at an early hour for us, despite that our bodies tell us we shouldn't, and head out the door. This unfortunately doesn't help much with people's motivation to learn. And then when you get to school, the halls are filled with a wide variety of students, and each of them automatically and subconsciously assume their social roles, whether it be nerds or jocks or geeks. And it seems that these roles are handed out to us and it takes quite a lot of work to break out of them. So, people spend most of their energy trying to fit in rather than actually wanting to learn something when they come to school. However, being taught to obey at such a young age hasn't really helped things much in the long run. See, people are afraid to ask questions, so they self-censor themselves because they think their teachers or their classmates will look down upon them. Schools need to be a place where kids feel free to express themselves and try to further their learning. However, if teachers in the classrooms get more engaged and involved rather than just hand out PowerPoints, perhaps they could break these social norms and encourage people to participate. A big aspect of high school is the social side of things, and if changes aren't made, I don't see things getting any better.